Our today's topic is life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies go through a life cycle and there are mainly 4 stages in their life cycle. So this one is stage number 1, that is eggs. Second is the larval stage. Third is pupa, and the last one is when it becomes adult butterfly. Let's read about it in detail. A butterfly becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. And this life cycle process can take a month to year. It depends on the type of butterfly. So the first stage is the eggs. A female butterfly lay eggs on a leaf. The second stage is the caterpillar. This is where the egg hatch and caterpillar comes out. It takes about 5 days for the eggs to hatch. At this stage, the caterpillar eats all the time and grows really fast. Next comes the third stage, where the formation of pupa takes place. Here you can clearly see how caterpillar is forming pupa. So caterpillar inside the pupa starts to change. It soon changes into a butterfly. Next comes the fourth stage, where the caterpillar has changed into a butterfly. This is the last stage. And at last, butterfly comes out of the pupa. See, this is how butterfly comes out of pupa. Then it learns to fly. Let's revise once again. So the first stage is when the female butterfly lays egg on a leaf. Second stage is when the eggs hatch and caterpillar comes out, also called larva. It takes about 5 days for the eggs to hatch. Until then, the caterpillar eats all the time and grows really fast. Once it is all the way grown, then comes third stage. This stage is the formation of pupa, also called chrysalis. Chrysalis is the protective outer layer of the butterfly pupa. And inside the pupa, caterpillar soon changes into a butterfly. Once the caterpillar has changed into a butterfly, the fourth stage starts. This is the last stage where butterfly comes out of pupa. So this whole process where an adult butterfly grown from an egg is called metamorphosis. I hope now you have understood how a caterpillar transforms into a new creature called butterfly. We should be compassionate towards living beings. Though we know that certain insects can be harmful, yet we cannot undermine the benefits from others. Many other animals depend on these insects for food. So killing insects out of fear or pleasure can disturb the balance in nature. And we must avoid disturbing any insect, particularly when we know that it is harmless. And protecting living beings would in turn mean protecting our own future. Benefits from insects. Insects provide useful services to mankind and the environment in a number of ways. First one is silk, which is obtained from silkworms. You may have seen silk clothes, silk sarees, etc. So these are obtained from the cultivation of silkworm, which produces silk, and this is called sericulture or silk farming. I think many of you like to eat honey. So we get honey from honeybees. Honeybees suck nectar from flowers and make honey. Some insects are rich in protein, such as grasshopper. So in many countries they are cooked and eaten. Some insects even help to clean the environment, like cockroaches, ants, etc. They feed on waste material, which in turn clean the environment. Butterflies look very beautiful with their vibrant colors and beautiful patterns. So, they add beauty to the surrounding with their features. Insects also help in plant reproduction by pollination. For example, bees. They sit on flower for nectar, as a result of which pollen grains from that flower attach to their feet. And when they sit on another flower for nectar, the pollen grain stick to that flower and the pollination takes place. Flower use this pollen to make seeds, and this process is called pollination. Next point is bee wax, which is obtained from honeybees, and it is used in making lotions, ointments, lipstick, creams, candles, etc.